Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we're going to be making a chocolate smoothie. This smoothie is so delicious and it's healthy too, but it tastes like dessert, so it's the best of both worlds. So let's get started. What I've done is added in about a half a cup of ice as well as a 1/4 cup of oats, and to that I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of almond butter, but you can use any butter of your choice, so peanut butter, cashew butter, this one's up to you, but I prefer almond butter. And next I'm going to be adding in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to give it the chocolatey feel and taste. And next I have 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, or you can add in 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. And then I also have a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And the last ingredient I'm going to be adding in is a half a cup of almond milk, or any milk of your choice. Now, let's blend it all together. Now that I've blended my smoothie together a little bit, I'm going to be adding in my sweetener. You can use any sweetener you want, such as agave or stevia, but for me, I'm just going to be adding in 1 banana. So I'm going to pop this in. And I also find my smoothies a little bit thick for my liking, so I'm going to be adding in a 1/4 cup more of almond milk. And then give it a final blend. This last step is optional, but I find it really makes a smoothie. So what I have is a half a cup of heavy cream, or if you want to keep it vegan, you can use coconut cream. And I'm going to make myself a little whipped cream on top. So I'm also going to be adding in a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And at this point, you can either use a handheld mixer, or if you have one of these little frothers, it will work as well. So now I'm just going to froth it all together. And now I'm just going to add a nice tablespoon or a dollop of whipped cream on top. Ooh, I filled it up way too much, but it's kind of satisfying, I'm not going to lie. So now the best part, getting to taste it and hopefully not making a mess of myself. Here we go. So good, so tasty. I love chocolate and the whipped cream really ties it all together. So let me know if you try this smoothie and what you think in the comments down below. Also, if you care to see some behind the scenes, I'm now on TikTok, and that's where I post a lot of the fun stuff and just random stuff. So check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!